Yes, Shivani. In website building, tell me what is SSL?
SSL is the certification which a website has, which gives the authenticity and the security of the user's data.
Okay. In website, what is bandwidth?
And
So what if a team member is not working properly, is not reporting, is not doing anything, and you are very much aware of it? How you'll handle that situation?
maybe I'll first connect to that person. If he has any serious issues, then we'll have to solve it. But if it's not like that, then I'll have to talk to my own project manager or maybe my team lead.
If I came to you as a client and I said, I don't want website on WordPress,
Okay.
what options you will give me?
If it's a e-commerce site, then we can go for Shopify. If not, then we can go to Wix.
Yes, Shivani, tell us about yourself.
So my name is Shivani Aher, and I've completed my master's in history in 2021. And after that, I was preparing for civil services, which didn't get through. And later, in June 2024, I decided on doing the digital marketing course from STAENZ. So I've completed my course, and now I'm doing internship with Zenza Work and also a project coordinator at True Heal Hospital.
Tell us about a little bit about your civil services preparation.
I
How much
engaged.
time you spent? Any attempts?
3 years I was preparing for civil services. I gave 3 attempts. But one attempt I almost got through, but like I was falling short of 2 marks. So that didn't get through. And when that time I was very demotivated. But then later I still again tried once again, but it didn't happen. So I wanted to do something else in life then.
So what are two learnings on those 3 years?
Patience and hard work. Patience and hard work.
All right. And then you are in digital marketing field.
Yes.
Tell me your journey in STAENZ. What kind of modules you are comfortable with?
I've completed many modules with STAENZ, but my favorites are SEO and website building. So I would like to focus on those topics in my career as well.
Nowadays, AI can generate website,
Yes.
right? So why I should hire somebody if I can get it done by AI?
AI can do everything for you with much perfection, but humans always need a human touch. And when we have that, only then we can connect with the user that we are going to interact with.
So can you give me two examples where, human can do better in website, which AI can't? Like the human touch that you said.
Maybe when we write blogs also, when you're writing blogs, we always humanize it. Even if as digital marketers, we are using AI to write blogs for us, we always humanize it. We use tools to humanize, but I think if I'm writing a blog, I always go to the blog once again to give my touch to it. And I enjoy writing as well. So that is also a plus point for me. So blogs can be a thing. And maybe video content that we can put on our website or the photos. AI photos are much different than what humans can do.
So I'm giving you one situation. Say BMW came to you and they want their new website. At the same time, as you are a digital marketer, Maruti also came. You are having both the projects. ठीक है? So website designing को लेकर के आपका thought process दोनों एक केस में कैसा हो? And how you will be able to differentiate कि okay BMW है तो ये होना चाहिए और मारुति है तो ऐसा कुछ होना चाहिए. So क्या thought चलेगा and how you will plan that project?
Both projects, if I see, then one BMW is a luxury brand and Maruti isn't that of a luxury brand in comparison to a BMW. So maybe I'll have to first start with working on their customer audience, but that also comes later. First, I have to work on their brand kit. What colors can go with luxury brand? What colors will go with the normal brand, which is Maruti? Then maybe the fonts and everything. The brand kit has to be worked on initially because that is the first thing the user sees when going through a website. So that will be one thing. Then customer audience and how we can just connect with the audience of what we want. The BMW audience will always be the richer audience, and their choices are different than what Maruti's choices will be. So maybe that research I have to do, and then I can work on. I can take both the projects because they are different. I feel, even if they are car brands, but they are different.
Okay. And for your website on these projects, what will be the conversion?
Conversion in the sense.
In the sense, what is the objective of that website? In both the cases, what is the objective?
To generate leads, because nobody buys the car online. So it is generating leads, and then the sales team can take it forward from there.
Okay. And say you have to write something over there to generate leads so that you are able to grab their interest, the viewer's interest.
Yes.
Now, as you like writing, what kind of text you will use there to attract people and, engage them and make them fill up the form? So if you can give some examples.
Blogs, I will have to write. So
No. I'm talking about the form. So you are having one form on the website and you have to write something, some headline, text, something, which will, ensure that people are filling up the form.
no, a catchy headline has to be there in the pop-up
Can you
form.
think of any in case of BMW?
Hassle-free luxury.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, hassle-free luxury.
Okay. Anything with pricing? Anything with
Yeah, we can add a type for pricing as well. Maybe it should be. A hassle-free luxury at your doorstep with maybe an amount or something. I cannot do the figure. I cannot make up a line.
All right. Yes, Aditya sir.
Yes, Shivani. In website building, tell me what is SSL?
SSL is the certification which a website has, which gives the authenticity and the security of the user's data.
Okay. In website, what is bandwidth?
And I don't know.
Tell me 5 plugin names of WordPress.
Elementor, all-in-one SEO, then Royal add-ons, Essential add-ons, Fluent Form, and Block Editor.
Okay. How to optimize web page to load fast?
We can install plugins like WP caches,
Okay. Then
and that will load our website faster. Also, we can reduce the image size, like compressed images we can upload.
okay. Tell me 2 compressor tool.
Kraken and Tiny PNG.
Okay. In WordPress, which is the best suitable option of permalink structure?
Postname.
Postname. Okay.
All right. So, Shivani, how do you see yourself now? You have spent 3 years preparing for civil services. Now you are in digital marketing. How do you see yourself in next, say, 5 years, 4 years? What is your ambition?
I want to work initially for like 3 to 4 years. I want to work in a good firm or an agency so that I can have the knowledge. And then later, I would want to work on my own agency, do freelancing, so that I can later see myself as a businesswoman.
Okay. So you like to start business or be in business.
Yeah.
Okay. So have you studied about how to start business or how to do things? Any experience?
No, sir. I think I haven't studied it, but I have a business background because my family is into businesses. Most of
kind
my
of
friends
business?
are in businesses. We have our shop, and that is why. That is also one reason that I got into digital marketing.
Okay. So apart from website building, say if I came to you as a client and I said, I don't want website on WordPress,
Okay.
what options you will give me?
If it's a e-commerce site, then we can go for Shopify. If not, then we can go to Wix,
Okay.
or we'll have to code the website then.
So any idea if I want 20 pages website for a hospital, how much people are quoting for that? What is the estimated price? Any idea?
It has to be 1 lakh plus, I think, for a 20-page website.
1 lakh plus.
Yeah.
And that depends on the features in the website, or it's like normal website is 1 lakh?
No, I think the features and the number of pages as well.
Okay. Tell me about other modules like ads.
And I've completed Google Ads, but not Meta Ads.
Google Ads you are comfortable with.
Yeah, and also SEO.
Many people are saying that Google Ads are not working for them. What could be the reason?
Google Ads are expensive than Meta Ads, actually. What I have heard from my friends speaking, that Google Ads are expensive, but they give results as well. And if the client is comfortable, then I think we should go for Google Ads. Now that I haven't studied Meta Ads, I don't know its benefits, but for I think Google Ads.
No, but I am running Google Ads. So, for example, we are assuming that I am running Google Ads and my budget is 50,000 rupees, and most of my budget is like wastage. I'm not getting enough leads. I'm not getting clients. I'm just getting fake clicks. What could be the reason?
We must optimize the landing page as well. When we are running ads, our first aim should be working on our landing page, because when the user goes to clicks on a ad, he goes on the landing page, and it has to be perfect to grab the attention. If it's not, then maybe that ad won't work for you.
How you will create landing page?
Whatever the page we are directing the user at, if it's even if it's for taking leads, we can add a very creative form so that the user is also interacting with his eyes as well, because he can see the colors or whatever, the fonts and everything. Maybe that and the text also can satisfy him, and that is why he can.
Say, for example, I'm a digital marketer and Aditya sir is not a digital marketer, for example. What kind of code or tags I will use in head area of my landing page that Aditya sir is not going to use? What will be the difference? What kind of tags I will use for the benefit of marketing?
We'll have to add a metapixel one, and then we'll have to also add Google Analytics tag, and even Microsoft Clarity tag, tags we can put. The codes we can put in head area so that we can get the heat map from that. And then Google Analytics code will go, which will help us in analyzing the customer's data. And Metapixel, I haven't studied much, but maybe we can have customer data from there as well.
Okay. And how you will put these codes?
We'll have to generate them, and then we'll have to put them in our site's dashboard, which goes into HFCM plugins. Then the head area will put the codes in.
Okay. Who is your role model?
Has to be my mother. Nobody from outside, I think, but it has to be my mother.
Okay. What is her name?
Shivani Aher.
Okay. So now why I ask this question is, now you are in this field. Anyone that you know and you think that one day, probably, I'll try my best to reach this place in this particular field. as you are in digital marketing and even from marketing,
Yeah.
I don't. Anybody who you are following or any role model in that?
Maybe not.
Any particular company, your dream company?
No, none, because I just want to learn, and maybe that I can get from a startup as well. So I just want to learn. I'm not aiming for any bigger names or anything. I just want to learn and then later implement it for myself. So I'm looking at as like that.
Okay. You have written problem solving and soft skills.
Yeah.
What kind of problems?
Any problem, let those be personal problems or even related to my field. Because even yesterday I got a text from my classmate, Neha ma'am, who lives in Raipur. So she
Right.
wanted help in some website building. So she was like, "Will you help me?" So I think I was there for her. Though she hasn't told me the problem yet, but I was there for her.
So are you a team player or individual?
No, team player, I think. I can very well work with the team.
And you're comfortable with remote work, or you want people in office physically? Or you?
I'm fine with both. Now that I'm the coordinator, project coordinator, so I have team from Delhi as well. There is one connecting from Gujarat, and others.
About your project?
About my project.
Yeah.
We have just started with True Heal Hospital, and we are working on our social media handles. We are yet to work on the website, but now we have started working on social media.
So it's a hospital.
Yeah, it's a
So what is
multi-specialty
your
hospital.
strategy, social media strategy for a hospital? What is your objective? What kind of content you guys have planned? What is going on that? Give us an idea.
We are working. We have 7 departments. We have decided on 7 departments. So we'll work 1 week on one department. So if you are working on cardiology this time, so next week will be gynecology, and then we are aiming at testimonials and then showing our services through videos and photos. And we are putting video content. We have showcased it as like it is not a real project. So we have just showcased it as a project which is existing from 25 years. It's there offline. Now they've come digital after 25 years.
Okay.
Yeah. And then we are going to, this is our storyline. So we are yet figuring out things.
So as you are handling hospital, medical field project, have you gone through the guidelines by medical council? What are the guidelines related to marketing about doctors and medical practitioners?
There are a few guidelines from when we want to run ads from Google Ads also and Meta Ads also. We have guidelines. I don't know the exact guidelines, but there are points where we cannot show the use of certain medicines or even drugs or whatever. We cannot show those, and even I think we cannot show the operations, the videos and everything, I think.
Okay. And your project, you also are going to develop the website?
Yes.
Is that?
Yes.
You are using WordPress in that?
Yeah, we'll use WordPress.
Tell me 3 themes, the popular themes from WordPress.
One is the WordPress 2025 now. It will come.
I think 2025 is already here.
So 2025. Then we have Astra. We have Cadence. And I can't think of more.
Yes, I does.
Yes, Shivani. In SEO, tell me key elements of technical SEO.
So there are many points in technical SEO, but to start with, the site should have canonical URL. Then the site should have schema. It should have a robots.txt file, sitemap XML. It should have. Then maybe an active SSL certification should be there. And
what is canonical URL?
It's a unique URL. We have to have a canonical URL for our website so that we don't compete amongst our own pages on the website.
Okay, so it is for bot or human?
For bots.
Both? Okay. What is schema?
Schema is a gist of what we are showing in our website. It helps the user to know in short what it is about.
Okay. Tell me 5 types of schema.
Product schema, recipe schema, and review schema.
Okay.
Mm,
For non-WordPress website, how to generate schema?
we can go to Google and just go to schema, no, sir. Schema generator is a site where we can generate the schema, and then you'll just have to, I think, put the code. I'm not sure.
Okay. Tell me, what is the primary purpose of alt text?
It's for the images. The images that we put on our website, it should have a alt text so that it becomes easier for the bot to know what the image is about. So when the user is searching, then he can, if he searches for that particular keyword, he can come to our website as well.
Okay. Which tools you have used for SEO?
For SEO, Rank Math and all-in-one SEO.
Okay. And tools, websites?
For auditing,
Hmm.
SEMrush, and I think I've used
What is keyword gap?
keyword gap. I think it is the gap between. I'm not sure.
What is keyword frequency?
It is a number of times we are using a particular keyword.
Okay. Tell me, what is Google autocomplete?
Auto.
Autocomplete.
When we are searching anything on Google, Google gives us, if you are searching for how to, then Google gives us maybe 10 answers, 10 questions that are already there in its history. So that is, I think, Google.
What is LSI keyword?
No idea.
Okay.
Shivani, as you said, you are coordinator for project
Yeah.
internship. So what if a team member is not working properly, is not reporting, is not doing anything, and you are very much aware of it? How you'll handle that situation?
Maybe I'll first connect to that person. If he has any serious issues, then we'll have to solve it. But if it's not like that, then I'll have to talk to my own project manager or maybe my team lead.
Then,
I'll go about it like that.
okay. Tell me, you did Bachelor of Arts History, then Master of Art History. What is art history?
No, it's just my degree, and then I have specialized in history because I like studying history, learning about history, and that is the only reason that I chose history. And
Okay.
it worked for me in civil services as well. That was my whole and sole reason of going for bachelor's in arts.
Okay. So you like to read about history or
Yeah, Indian
Have
history
interest.
mostly. Yeah, I heard.
okay. So we are looking for somebody who can handle 5 to 6 people. 5 to 6 digital marketers. Maybe some designers reporting you. Okay. Even some web developer in the company, they are comfortable with PHP, HTML, CSS. Will you be comfortable? Can you handle that?
If it's just project assigning or project management, maybe I can do that. But I don't think I'll be able to compete with them in their knowledge because I haven't learned that.
Okay.
Yeah.
So even without seeing their competency, even without interacting with them, you will reach to this conclusion?
No, if it's whole and soul about knowledge, then I think I will be secondary and they'll be on the first list. But if it's otherwise, then I think I can be at par with them.
So what are 2-3 qualities or strength that you have?
Like I have mentioned, I think I am good at communication, so I can communicate my thoughts to my team. I can be there for people, so I can be a problem solver, and yeah, I think these, and I can be a team leader as well. So, so with this, I can go forward with the team also.
What are the weaknesses you have?
I haven't thought about them, sir.
Yeah, none.
There will be, but
Okay.
there will be some, but I really cannot think of any right now.
So, any questions you have for us?
No, sir.
So, it's time for feedback from our side. Shivani, you answered well in this mock interview. There are a few things which you can sort probably. With this conversation, we have the understanding that you want to start your own business one day.
Yes.
But if you'll go for interview, from the very start, your entry over there, be very formal and greet them, and then, wait for their, they will tell you to sit, and you can wait for that. So entry, you can little bit work. Answer-wise, perfect. There's no problem. I think the kind of knowledge you have, and at the same time, the confidence that you have is not matching. Okay? On confidence part, you have to work a little.
Yeah.
Because as you are learning, of course, you have tried something, like you have tried WordPress, you have tried plugins, you have tried themes, and you know how to use those. But still, you are not that much confident on
Yes.
yourself. So I think more of internship projects or more of live projects will help you with that gradually, but you can work on it.
Sure. Sir.
The things that you are doing is kind of skill that should give confidence. Yes, I can do. Yes, I know how to run Google Ads. If it is not working, these are the most probably these are the problems, and we have to check. So in your answers, add more confidence.
Sure, sir. Next time I will.
Okay? Otherwise, it is going good. And even if you are planning to start business, spend at least 2 to 3 years working somewhere, getting more experience, and exploring more projects, modules, running more campaigns. That will add a lot of value. At the same time, I'm sure you will be able to, because you have very good communication skill. You have, I have seen already the problem solving and teamwork thing. I've already seen. So you'll be able to climb the hierarchy very quickly. Again, so add more leadership skills. Be open for opportunities whenever you get opportunity. Work on those things, but don't deny, because you can really climb quickly and on different positions. Okay, so be open for that.
Sure, sir.
Spend more time on practical execution,
Yes.
and I'm sure by helping others, you will learn a lot.
Yes.
All the best.
Thank you so much, sir.
Yes,
Yes, Shivan. Interview was really good. You have written SEO in your skill. So you have to work on some tools like SEMrush. Go in depth. Okay. ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा उसके प्रैक्टिकल देखो, उसको यूज़ करो, तो आपको और कंसेप्ट, जैसे मैंने पूछा था कीवर्ड गैप, LSI कीवर्ड, तो ये जो कंसेप्ट है ये क्लियर होंगे.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
All the best.
Thank you
Shivani,
so
you are
much.
doing wonderful. थोड़ा सा इन चीज़ों पे ध्यान दो, और बहुत बढ़िया जा रहा है. जितना हम लोगों ने अभी तक आपको देखा है, चाहे वो प्रैक्टिकल एग्जीक्यूशन भी हो, बहुत फास्ट है. वो जो 3 साल कॉन्फिडेंस गिराया ना उसने, वो बीती बात हो गई, है ना?
Right.
सो नाउ लेट्स एक्सप्लोर न्यू शिवानी. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
और आप एकदम कॉन्फिडेंट रहो, जो कर रहे हो बहुत बढ़िया है. इम्प्लीमेंटेशन और सीखो. जैसे IT सर ने बोला ना, टूल पकड़ा तो अगले 5 दिन तक उस टूल को छोड़ने गए, उसके सारे ऑप्शंस छान मारने के, क्या क्या है उसके अंदर. कि मैक्सिमम ये जो टूल्स हैं, SEMrush वगैरह, ये सब सेल्फ एक्सप्लेनेटरी हैं. अंदर जाओगे आपको समझ में आएगा. उन्होंने हेल्प कंटेंट भी काफ़ी बनाया हुआ है. तो ये है कि अगर हम लोग यूज़ करें, और अच्छी बात है कि इंटर्नशिप के जो लाइक प्रोजेक्ट्स हैं उस पर तो आप उनको पूरा ऑडिट कर सकते हो, यूज़ कर सकते हो. ठीक है?
Yes, sir. I'll work on it.
Yes, all the best.
Thank you.